G'day, here's a small parcel of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. It's probably from various fields. They're basically offcuts and sometimes a rub here or two. Rules in millimetres, the material's been wetted. Just move the camera in a bit closer. I just literally randomly tip these out of the bucket. Some are better than others. Offcut. I haven't deliberately put these in any order, just as I've tipped them out of the bucket. So it's good and bad. Bit of matrix there, showing up very well. Lines. Greens with a flash of red there in the centre. Piece of matrix. Just probably not much in that bit. Colour there. Piece of Koroite type material. Offcut. That needs to be ground down so we get the face colour there. A lot of pieces to play with here. Not as good as some of the other deals that we've put up, but it's priced accordingly. It's been a pretty stone and been getting polished, and it's broken in half, unfortunately. Still a little stone there on the side. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking at that. Cheers.